Hi everybody. This is my second video on my move situation. I am finally settled where, I can say that I at least got them to take off the no cause eviction that Oregon and Arizona and Washington are the only three states that allow to happen. They're called no cause evictions. So I got them to rescind that. And so I can move and I don't have to hang my head because it was really embarrassing. Even though it was a no cause and stuff, it was still really embarrassing. So anyway, and the day after I get everything settled, of course, the neighbors are playing their damn music really loud and stomping around. And it's because of Cray, the maintenance guy. My rights have been walked all over here at Tall Oaks Apartments at 6285 Caldwell Road in Gladstone, Oregon 97027. Don't ever move here, because the maintenance guy here, he is like an old bitty hen, a mean, bitter, angry old bitty hen. And he goes around and tells people your private things, business wise. He has no business doing it. He's nothing but a maintenance man, but he is really close to the property manager and stuff. So she tells him everything. So he goes around and tells everybody else everything. And the only reason they're playing music down below is because yesterday, it was settled, and I don't have to hang my head because I don't have a no cause over me. But the agreement through housing discrimination in the Bureau of Labor office was that I agreed to move by May 3rd and leave the apartment clean, and they have to have my deposit check ready for me, paid in full of what I paid them, and stuff, and they have to write a letter, stating that they rescinded the no cause to everybody that they sent it to, including me. So, and all that's done, and then lo and behold, the neighbors are making noise again, right? And see, this is the whole thing, with my silent migraines, and stuff, I can't handle the bass, and these assholes down below me, it's like, they get pissed off if I fucking walk around my damn apartment. But yet I'm supposed to listen to them stomp around, slam doors, play their music really loud. I mean, they are the lowest life form on the face of this earth, believe me. They ganged up on and picked on a disabled 53-year-old woman just because I can't handle their music. That's how fucking sad it is in Oregon. And I'll tell you what, from here on out, when I move into an apartment, they're going to sign a goddamn letter stating there's no goddamn barking dogs and there's no loud music allowed to be played, period. You are not able to hear it through the floors or the walls, period. They're going to sign a goddamn letter. And if anybody starts with me on it, they're going to fucking go to court. Period. I'm not taking any more goddamn shit off of people over fucking music and barking dogs. Who in the hell do any of these people think they are? This is my goddamn apartment. I live here. I pay my fucking bills. I pay my goddamn rent. I have the right to do what I need to do for myself. And that doesn't include listening to their goddamn music or their goddamn barking dogs. And that's just the end of it. I am so fucking sick of people these days. I swear to God. Rude to the max. Bullying and picking on a disabled, really sick 53-year-old woman, okay? Just because they can't play their fucking music, all right? And now I have to go to the expense of moving. I'm the troublemaker. I'm just trying to fucking keep myself healthy, but I'm the troublemaker, okay? That's how low these people are. So that's the Tall Oaks, and it's through Princeton Management. Laura Lunsford, okay? Don't ever rent from them. They're horrible, horrible people, okay? So, and you don't want to move to Oregon anyway. I'm telling you what, this state is the most backwards, stupid, ignorant. They're like a bunch of damn hicks, Okay? I swear to God, if you have any kind of common sense whatsoever, don't move to this state because it will mind fuck you into madness. That's how bad they are here. Okay? So anyway, I'm going to stop right there for now and everything. But I'm moving to Idaho. I'm very happy I'm moving to Idaho because I'll tell you what, I can't handle this state one more damn minute. I got to wait till May 3rd, unfortunately, though. I just fucking hate it. If I could figure out a way to move sooner, I would have done it, believe me. You know, when I get to the state line of this fucking state and pass it and cross over it, I am going to turn around and flip this state off. I'll tell you what, I will never step foot in this piece of shit state again as long as I live. You know, it's just that damn bad. I have lived all over the goddamn United States, and I have never, ever been treated as badly as I have here. I have worked in bars with hookers and bikers and street people that have treated me better than I have been treated by people, supposed working class people here in Oregon. And I'm not joking. I'm not exaggerating, okay? Not even a little bit. These people are that bad. Street people, thugs, have treated me better than these people have. Swear to God. So don't move here. Don't move. And especially don't rent from Princeton Management or Tall Oaks Apartments. Gotta go. Love y'all. Bye.